Hello students, welcome back to my channel. This is a question from class 10, pair of linear equations in two variables. Solve the following pair of linear equation in elimination method. Children, we have already solved two sums using substitution method. If you have not checked the video, please go to my channel playlist and you can watch that video. Now, whenever we are going with the elimination method, we can add or subtract to eliminate one variable. Now here if we observe that coefficient of y is 1 and in this equation the coefficient of y is minus 1. So plus 1y and minus 1y will be eliminated when we do the addition of it, right? So now we are going to add this two equations. 2x plus 6x is equal to 8x. Plus 1y and minus 1y will get cancelled. It gets eliminated. It becomes 0 is equal to 3 plus 9 is 12. And x will become 12 by 8. 4 times 2, 4 times 3. So it implies x value is 3 by 2. Once we get x value, we can easily find y value by substituting this x value in any of the equations. So 6x minus y is equal to 9 is one of our equation. So 6 times x value we got 3 by 2 minus y is equal to 9. So we can cancel this here. 2 times 1, 2 times 3. So we will be getting 3 times 3 is 9 minus y is equal to 9 minus 9 is equal to this y transposed will become plus y. 9 minus 9 is 0. Therefore y value is 0. Okay, this is how we can solve. We can even check our answer. Okay, let us check our answer. We 2 times x value is 3 by 2. Let me take LHS. Our RHS is 3. Okay, plus y value is 0. So 3 plus 0 is 3. Hence verified. Now let us solve this sum using elimination method. Children, here the coefficient of x is 4. The coefficient y is 2, whereas in the other equation we have coefficient of x as 5 and here the coefficient of y is minus 1. If I make this one as minus 2, okay, if I make the coefficient of y as minus 2, then we can add the equations, both the equations, and we can eliminate y part. So how can we make this part as minus 2? Already negative sign is there. Just this 1 I have to make it 2. For that, multiply this whole equation by 2. We should have the coefficients same. Okay. If the coefficients are with the same sign, we will go with subtraction. If the coefficients are with opposite signs, go with addition. Right. So children, let us write our equations. First one is 4x plus 2y is equal to 10. So when we multiply 2 with the second equation, we will be getting 10x minus 2y is equal to 4 times 2 is 8. Okay. Now we have plus 2y and minus 2y which will get eliminated if we add both the equations. So 4x plus 10x is 14x plus 2y minus 2y gets eliminated. So we will be getting 10 plus 8 as 18. That implies x is equal to 18 by 14 and 2 9s are. So x value we will get as 9 by 7. Now once we get a value of a variable, we can substitute in any of the equation to get the y value. So we can take the first equation, which is 4x plus 2y is equal to 10, right? Now let us substitute x value here. 4 times 9 by 7 plus 2y is equal to 10. Okay, and 4 is 36 by 7 plus 2y is equal to 10. Transpose 36 by 7. So it will become 10 minus 36 by 7. Previous videos we have discussed, whenever you have a whole number followed by addition or subtraction and a fraction form, just multiply this and add or subtract depending upon the sign here. 7 tens are 70. 70 minus 36 is 34. 34 by 7. This 7 as it is. Okay. Y is equal to 34 by 7. This 2 when transposed, 2 by 1 actually it is. It will become 1 by 2. Now we can simplify here. 2 times 1, 2 times 17. So y value is 17 by 7. Understood the elimination method. Let us do one more sum based on coefficients a and m. Children, let us solve this pair of linear equation by elimination method. Children, we have discussed that one of the variable coefficient must be equal so that we can eliminate it. Okay. Now see here, the coefficient of x is a, the coefficient of y is b, whereas the coefficient of x is m, and here the coefficient of y is n. So what we will be doing is we have to make one coefficient, that means a coefficient of x or coefficient of y same. So let's multiply the m, which is the coefficient of x here, with equation 1, and this coefficient of x, which is a, to the second equation, right? So what we will be getting, first equation will become m times ax is amx. I'm just trying to write this in alphabetical order. You can even write max, it's absolutely fine. Plus m times by will become bmy is equal to m multiplied to c will become cm. Okay, let us see the second equation. Second equation, we will be getting amx plus any equal to aq. Now if we observe, the coefficient of x term has become same, right? Now we have, since the sign is positive for both the case, we have to go with subtraction. That means subtract both these equations. Whenever we are subtracting, the signs of the second equation will become opposite. Since all are positive, all the signs of this will become negative. Okay. Now see here, amx minus amx will get cancelled. Okay. my minus any will become bm minus an times y, because y is common over here. So I am writing y outside and bm here, this negative sign, and an here is equal to, here there is nothing common, so you can write it as cm minus aq. I hope this step is clear. That means we want value of y. Y will become cm minus aq by bm minus an, the value of y. Once we get y value, we can easily find by substituting this y in any of the equation. We got the y value. Now let us substitute in the first equation or the second equation. The first equation is ax plus by is equal to c. Children, as ax is equal to c minus by. Okay, so x is equal to c minus by a. Okay, so I am writing this full equation like this. Okay, that means everything I have transposed except x, so that directly when I substitute the y value, I will get the x value. Okay, so c minus b times, what is y value we got? cm minus aq by bm minus an a, right? Now here this is c by 1. Now we can take LCM in the numerator. Okay, LCM in the numerator, LCM will be bm minus an. Now if one time product is the LCM, go with cross multiplication. So we will be getting bm minus an times c minus b into cm minus aq. Move the bracket. First term we will be getting bcm minus ac minus cbm, minus into minus is plus, we will be getting abq by, now this a will become reciprocal if I make this division into multiplication. Here it will become a by 1 will become 1 by a, and this bm minus an I am writing here. You observe plus bcm minus bcm gets cancelled. So what we are left with abq minus acn by bm minus an times a, this a. Okay, in the numerator, can I take a common? Okay, so if we take a common, what we are left with? bq minus cn by a times bm minus an. Okay, so this a gets cancelled Hence the value of x is bq minus cn by bm minus an. For such interesting sums, please subscribe to my channel.